combination formula for adding 8 is equal to plus 10 minus 5 plus 3. Now notice that this formula is actually a combination of the big friend formula for adding 8 and the small friend formula for subtracting 2. From our previous lessons, we know that the big friend formula for adding 8 is plus 10 minus 2. But if we are in a situation where we can add 10 but we cannot subtract 2, then we will take help from the big friend as well as small friend. So for adding 8, we will use the big friend formula plus 10, but then if we cannot subtract 2, we will seek help from the small friend formula of subtracting 2, which is minus 5 plus 3. Combining both of these, we will get the combination formula for adding 8, which is plus 10 minus 5 plus 3.